How do you compost? First, collect the food scraps in your kitchen. You can bring in food like cake, sandwiches, fruit, pasta, cookies, veggies. They're all good for composting. Then, put them in a bin. And leave it by the curb. We collect food scraps weekly from homes, businesses, and schools. Our awesome drivers come and pick it up. Then the magic happens. We drop it, mix it up, and turn the piles. And then blow air into it. Then we bring the temperature up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the microbes cook for about 6 months, and then cool. We screen it, and we clean it. Not once, but twice. Then we polish the pile. We either deliver big truckloads or we bag it up. Then we use it in the garden. Wait. Then we eat the produce. And repeat. Composting reduces waste, builds great soil and nutrients back in the food chain. And those plants take CO2 out of the air and store it in the soil, which helps fight against global warming. Compost, grow, eat, and repeat. Getting dirty can be fun and good for the planet.